You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to fix a Samsung phone microphone not working during calls or recordings. First, check for physical obstructions. Clean the microphone hole gently with a soft brush. Test the microphone by recording a voice memo or making a call on speakerphone. If it works on speakerphone, the bottom primary mic may be faulty. Restart your phone as this clears temporary software glitches. Next, check for software updates in Settings. Software update install. Any available updates. Boot your phone into safe mode by pressing and holding the power button, then tap and hold power off until you see safe mode. If the mic works in safe mode, a third-party app is the issue. Uninstall recent apps. Check app permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, select the app having issues, tap Permissions, and ensure microphone access is allowed. Clear the cache partition by turning off the phone, then holding volume up and power until the recovery menu appears. Use volume keys to select Wipe Cache Partition and press power. To confirm, if the problem persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset via Settings, General Management, Reset. If none of these steps work, the microphone hardware may be damaged, and you should contact Samsung support or a repair center. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.